Right, so for this question, it says a candle is 9 inches long. Nelson lights the candle and records the length of the candle, y inches, for x hours. The equation y equals negative 2x plus 9 gives the length of the candle in inches after burning x hours. What is the value of x if y is 1? What does x represent in this context? So as usual, my strategy is I'm going to look at and highlight the important information in the problem. So the candle starts out 9 inches long. It says y is for the length and x is going to represent time in hours. We have the equation for the length. And then they also told us that in this case, y is 1. And they want us to figure out what x means in this context. So as usual, I always like to record the information that I actually know. So I know that the candle, so starting length, let's do that again. Starting length is 9 inches. I know the equation. I know right now current length or present length is equal to 1 inch. And I know that my x is what I'm trying to find. They're asking me to find x. So always start off with the original equation. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 9. And in this case, my current length is 1. So I'm going to replace that y with 1. And that's equal to negative 2x plus 9. What do I want to do? I want to find what x is. So it means that when I do that, the x is going to be by itself. So I start off by getting rid of terms that are on the same side as x, which means I'm going to subtract 9 because the inverse of addition is subtraction. Anything I do on one side of an equation must be done on the other side. So on my left side, if I take 9 from 1, so that's 1 minus 9, that's going to give me negative 8. That's equal to, I'm only left with a negative 2x. On my right side, so that's minus 2x. And remember, the aim is to get the x by itself. So I'm going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. By now we should know that when a number is attached to a variable, that's a multiplication. So the inverse of multiplication is division. We divide. We're going to be left with x by itself on the right side, and a negative divided by a negative gives a positive result. So I know that x is equal to 4. So what does that mean in the context of this problem? It means it took 4 hours for the candle to burn to a length of 1 inch. So it started at 9, but after 4 hours, the new length was 1 inch.